Hello, in this video I want to show you how to unpack RAR and zip archives on Motorola Edge 13 Neo. So to do this, you'll need to open the RAR app, which we've shown you how to download in our other video. Then find the files that you want to unpack, and for me it's right here. You'll be able to click on it, then click on this arrow pointing up to extract it. You can also select Browse to pick different designation where the files will go. I want them in the Movies folder, so let's click OK on that. You can change any of these extraction options if you want, and after that click on OK again, and that way you'll unpack 3 of the files. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.